What's up guys, Chris Schwartz-Edmisten here from Schwartz-Edmisten Web Design. Squarespace just released a new feature, block duplication. So I want to talk about it, how to do it, and what needs to be improved in today's video. So I'm here inside of my Fluid Engine section. If I hit G, that'll bring up the grid in this section. And so now we have this new feature. If you select a block, it has this duplicate option. And you can see there's a keyboard shortcut of Control-D. So if I want to duplicate this block, I can click this button and now I have a duplicate inside of this section. I'll go ahead and delete that. But you can also select multiple blocks. So if you select a block and hold Shift and select another block, it'll select both of them. And you can also click and drag multiple blocks. And you can see here we have a duplicate button for this group of blocks. So if I want to replicate this 2 more times, I'm just going to hit duplicate, drag it where I want it, and hit duplicate again. And now you can see I can quickly replicate layouts inside of a section. So this is definitely a welcome feature that we now have because it will make building out content inside of a section much faster. So love to see it. Some things that I think need to be improved though. The first thing would be we can't drag blocks between sections. If you try, it'll just add more rows to the bottom of the section. So if we're not going to have the ability to drag blocks between sections, we should at least have the ability to copy blocks between sections. So I love to see this duplicate feature within a section, but I wish we could just copy it, like Control-C or press the copy button, and then be able to then paste them into another section. So I think it's limiting not to be able to transfer blocks between sections. So that's a feature that I would love to see. Right now, this functionality it'll make it easier for sure, but I think it could be taken that next step in order to make it the best feature that it could be. Let me know if you are using Fluid Engine in your Squarespace builds. I'm using it for a lot of sites and I'm loving it for a lot of things, but I think it has a lot of drawbacks too. So I will definitely be releasing new videos as more features come out. If you enjoyed this video and want to catch more Fluid Engine updates, consider subscribing to the channel and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.